This unit is for sale. The unit is about 450 square meters. The price is $5.2 million US, or about 160 million Thai baht. It's located very close to BTS Phnom Penh and in the heart of Bangkok. It's a huge, entertaining and living area, and I'm just flip the phone around. I'll take you on a brief tour. So here we are. This is the living area. It's got huge double glass going out to the pool, their own private pool in this unit. I'm going to walk us over here and give you a shot of the pool. At each end of the pool, you'll find a sitting area. Let me see if I can get that for you. And then the pool goes along the entire front of the living area. I'm going to walk you over to the other window here, and you can see the other end of the pool. Also, these sitting areas are outside the bedroom, so I'll walk you through there as well. This is the formal dining area. It has a place for 10 at this table. Fantastic decorating. This unit is coming fully furnished. So what you see is pretty well what you get. The owner will take out maybe a few small items. I'm going to walk you through here. You'll see an island for an additional 8 seats there. Behind there is a kitchen. Let's walk in through the kitchen, have a look. I love this kitchen actually. It's a huge space, great for entertaining. If you're a wine connoisseur, check out the double wine fridge. Huge space for baking. Built-in microwave, built-in coffee maker, built-in refrigerator. A lot of storage up above. All along. Coming back through this side, you'll see that it's a gourmet kitchen. There are double fume hoods down to hobs with a built-in grill and double ovens. So if you love to cook and you want a view while you cook, it's a nice place. You got a double sink here, and also you'll find another sink built in here. There's a pantry for storage. Coming through, I'm just going to pop you into the fact that you have another kitchen, separate kitchen, where you have laundry facilities, you have a room for your help, and a separate entrance for your help. Again, large storage units all throughout here. So, you know, this is an entertainer's dream, this home. It's got, if I can find it for you, there it is. Sound system wired all through the house. You just turn on the music. Check out these speakers here. And attention for detail. The furniture is, you know, really nice, really well decorated. You like to watch the game on TV or a cinematic movie with sound to match, you're all set. Set up for enjoyment of living and enjoyment of entertaining. There are many cute touches on this house, to say the least. Okay, so let's check out some of the bedrooms here. First bedroom, down off the dining area. And this one, let me get it in frame for you. This one, you can see you walk out of the bedroom to the sitting area by the pool. So you have pool access from this bedroom. Here's the bath. Double bath here. Shower. Nice. The bath with open skies, you can see there. Really quite nice. Just wanted to mention, let me show you this control here. All the rooms are equipped with these kind of controls. They control the lights, the music, and the blinds. So all your blinds and curtains are electrically controlled. So here's bedroom number 1. Take a walk over to, we're going cutting through the living area. Guest bathroom, common bathroom. It's got a shower, bath, 3-piece bathroom. Bedroom number 2. This one's a little bit smaller. Again, a great view from this bedroom. Watch your TV from bed and walk through closets. Huge amount of space. Another top of the line bathroom. I'll scan this down a little bit for you. There you go. So it is quite nice. Coming back through the walk-in closet, let's take a look. Number 2, number 3, master bedroom. The owner has just recently refinished all these walk-through closets, and in through here you will find double sinks, Jack and Jill sinks. A little attention to detail. You see the pebbles at the bottom. A jacuzzi tub. Another great view from the bathroom. Blue skies and clouds, and see a bit of skyline there. Shower, of course, with the rain shower above. Again, here you'll see the controls for the blinds, so you can control all your blinds, all your music. And this master bedroom walks out to the other end of the pool. Remember the first bedroom we looked at? You could walk out to the pool, and here we have another access to the pool from the master bedroom. Let's take a look at this view. But the master bedroom is on the corner. Very bright, very nice. Of course, you can pull your shades for privacy. I hope you enjoyed that little tour. So yeah, in summary, it's a great unit here that we have for sale for you. You just won't find many units like this available in the market. Compared to new builds, the price per square meter is much lower. It's just hard to achieve this level of quality. It's a walk-in condition.